Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's discuss publishing. This is the publish button. I'm gonna click on it and directly it shows you the web address. So it shows you sites.google.com. This is the navigation way. This is from view. And then you have the name of the website. You could choose to make it smaller if you want. Remember that you cannot put any symbols in this area. Now, who can view my website? Let's see. Anyone? I can manage this and choose to change this and make it only restricted, which means only me or people I invite, or I can remove the link completely and unpublish it. The draft could be for anyone to see it, probably, so you choose what you want to show and click on done. If you want your website not to show on Google, on search engines, you need to tick this one. Then you click publish. Once you published it, you click on this drop down that you see next to publish, and you could view published site. You could also unpublish it whenever you want. This is very important. So I'm going to click view published site, and there you go. Now this is my website. That's my button. It will take me to my YouTube channel. And if I scroll down, I have items that I put already. I'm going to go to about. I have more. The news page where we were working. That's my symbol. And that's my favicon next to the name, as we agreed. And I can edit it whenever I want if I'm seeing it from here. You could also search on this site for items that are already there.